Hey guys, welcome to another Tribal Wars video. Today I'm gonna do World 102 overview. Recently what happened? There is a big war between 4 against the world. Casual thing, right? In Tribal Wars, big war and so on and so on. What I'm looking forward to is make the small map even smaller, the big map even bigger. I know there is a tool, Tribal Wars maps and such things, but okay, I'm old school, so I got one village here. Okay, I cannot show the troop count because it's still important at this time. But yeah, you can see it's defensive village, and there is some offense troops as well, just in case, but mainly defensive. Around me there is all mad players. So as you can see, Stoner problems, still Stoner, Luca, oh from Hype. Okay, that's a different story. Against Stoner, the beat conductor. So basically, there was this Minji guy, over 3 million points. I got banned, so now he lost already over 2 million. And all this region was cleaned up by Mad. Over here, what's cooking? Also, we are cleaning out everything. And there is this new background. We are trying to eat up. Some enemy players also get a piece of cake. So yeah, downstairs I think we are doing good on the south, so digging in, so could be nice if we could cut out this region, so that would make the front line a little bit better for us. So actually if we just could manage to cut the front line over here on somewhere in the 53k, so in this line. Oh yeah, there is still like quite tough players, but yeah, well, there was like at least 8 players from a 4 tribe that got banned, 4 and 350, so you know they're playing on the same side. But meanwhile, they're digging in K55. As you can see, everything is now like pretty solid. They're just drilling it. And over here, well, some players left, backstabbed, and classical tribal was shit. This Majesty guy still holding on couple of villages, so that's pretty cool. What else? While 4 is digging in K, what was that? It was 55 already. Yeah, they did a long digging in 45. But yeah, while 4 is doing that, there is LITD tribe, so not too strong players actually. So some of them okay over a mil, but most of them around 3 to 4 to 500k or something. But as you can see, they are rock solid. They have like a lot of ground, and yeah, so they are digging in, and looks like also capturing some of the Runa villages, so that's pretty sweet. How strong? Oh yeah, this guy, you know what, actually size doesn't matter. Yeah, I know that's what she said, but if you get time to be online, you have like 2 more codes on your account, so you're 3 players covering 24/7. Pretty much, if everybody knows what to do, you can just be unstoppable. So I'm alone on my account, so I have some sleeping hours, some working hours. So I try to just be here for fun, because I still have a life. And of course I would like to take it like, okay, let's win this one, let's become a beast. So Minji making a run. Yeah, but that just, you need 2 years of your life to win one world, and you need to be active all the time. So if you have like another co-player and he has to be online some specific hours, and you find out he is not, that means you rely on the guy, right, and he's not online, so that means you're pretty much losing stuff, losing your ground. So yeah, well, we can go down and check out how I'm looking now at this point. So I went to the south, as I said previously, so over here digging in to some rim players. Over here all villages are climbed by my tribe member. I'm gonna be taking some more stuff as well, so I can now make this map bigger. Is it big enough? Again, something that I shouldn't be saying. So you can see my off and F villages. All of them are pretty much stacked, because it's still unclear how safe is this region. Those guys can sneak in some nukes. Well, those villages are not stacked like super high, but you need at least two guns to clean one. So I think I'm pretty much good unless this guy goes all out on offense. But yeah, there is some attacks going on. Um, I decided it's very important to clean the rim since like most of our defense is going to the front line, and then those rim players just take the opportunity to take free villages, and that's not a pleasant thing to have. So we want to focus on the offense. We really need to be pushing in now, since we are about to lose this world. We can check the rune wars, so you will see rune villages appeared only in top 4 continents, so that pretty much sucks for all rim players. Um, so you can see 4 has global dominance of rune villages, 51.5%. Mad keeps their shit together with 17.25%, and 350 is pretty much for just academy tribe, 16%. So they already have like enough global dominance, but not in all the continents. So as you can see, in K44 they're losing ground to LITD just because of their inactives. So they had some banned players and not inactives, yeah, but well, they become inactive since they're banned, right? So losing a lot of ground in 44. Mad still holding their shit together, and we are digging in well, we're trying at the 54, but still not really. Okay, well, 45k, that's their home ground, so this one they will hold for a long time. So if 4 wants to win this war, they could actually finish us off in like 3 months, maybe 4 months, because they don't really need to fight us. They need to hold the ground on the K44 against LITD, and they need to focus full force on digging in the Mad territory at the K55. So yeah, and they don't really need to defend villages at the 64th continent or something, because we can, while we're eating those, they are eating 55th K. So and if they do it first and hold them for 20 days, they win the world. But if we want to win the world, this will last for at least 2 years, because there is a lot of ground to be nobbled out. So yeah, with all that said, guys, I do hope we are going to lose, and 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 this world will end. So my painful moments will be over, because this takes so much time. um, wow, someone's sharing comments with me today. Lol. I mean, man, come on, I shared with everybody like I don't remember when. Okay, so let's do mass recruit. I think my account manager just ran out of time, so I'm just doing the manual thing now. Still with a premium account. I'm doing some premium farming on the world 104, just so I can manage this account. What else? So ranking tribes, let's check out. We are actually at 4th place, so it's pretty sweet, and we can see 350 is a little bit dying tribe, but I'm pretty sure 4 just recruits some of 350 dudes. EO is actually rising star. Nice. So Mad recruited all the crazy guys, that's why they're still holding it so good. But they have some really powerful players, so that's cool. For us, well, it's still okay. I think we still have this Kush 2 tribe, so once we do some kind of a merge, we could actually be a pretty solid opponent to everyone. But I'm pretty sure we are waiting out for the right moment to merge together those dudes with our main dudes. So EO has academy as well, so let's check out where are these guys. So let's see the top player. Okay, I see. So they are focusing on the other side of the road. So pretty much 4 and 350 is surrounded by everybody on the all sides except their main continent at the left side. So is it east or west? Not sure, not a native English speaker. So basically they are controlling this rim, and even though this rim is not really controlled by them, so there is new academy. So maybe, just maybe, some more dudes could just join in and start digging. Drink up. So yeah, vampire is allied with the 4 as well. So not the strongest tribe, but still 2 million points, so something that counts. Yeah, so there is some rising stars going on. So if these dudes can just, you know, attack, we could easily manage to win because they cannot efficiently defend all sides of this world, right? So if you are in the middle and you didn't secure your rim, well, it's bad news for you, buddy. And yeah, a lot of Korean players got banned because they were using some illegal stuff. So that's pretty good for us. It's like a message from gods. Come on, you can win this. Keep going. Real Donald Trump. Well, I'm not sure you're real because you have duty to do. You cannot play Tribal Wars 24/7. Come on. You have people that depend on you. Fucking Trump. So I actually have like nothing about against him, but he's acting like a child. So some some pretty sweet and juicy villages here. Someone got banned. Oh, okay, yeah. Someone from our tribe was inactive. That kind of sucks. This inactivity thing. Come on, if you know that you're leaving, at least give the villages to your tribe. So now mad people are getting climbs on those. So stupid fuckers. There is, yeah, all of them are climbed by mad. Okay, well that's basically it. Yeah, what I've been doing lately, a lot of work, not enough tribal wars, but hopefully I will be able to change that and play a little bit more often. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video as well, so leave it a thumbs up if you liked it and see you in the next one.